Oh man, is it cold. You guys want to see an ice cream challenge, so I'm gonna bring it to you. Alright guys, before we start this challenge, I had to pick up Chipotle. I need something savory.
How can I help you?
Hello, can I get one medium, each of your limited time blizzards? One each of them, medium?
What's limited time blizzard?
Do you guys have the Reese's Take 5?
We do.
I'll do that medium.
Okay.
And then a Snickers brownie medium.
Alright.
And then an Oreo hot cocoa medium. And then a berry cherry chip medium.
Okay.
And then that'll be it. Thank you. Alright guys, so I have 4 blizzards right here. And I always used to say, I'm gonna move these straws. I always used to say lunatics only ate ice cream in the winter. Now I guess you can call me a lunatic today because I will be eating 4 blizzards, the fall blizzards that are at Dairy Queen. So yes, these are the new 5. There is Reese's Take 5, Snickers brownie, what's the other 2? Cherry chip, and then Oreo hot cocoa. So I'm gonna go from, I'll have the calories up there somewhere too. So I think this is the Reese's Take 5. And it's kind of bright. There's a lot of, I'm tripping it. All right, Reese's Take 5. This is Snickers. No, I did film a big ice cream. It wasn't a challenge, but I would consider it one in Michigan. I'm chugging the Snickers. The hoodie is very needed right now. I've never in my life eaten 4 blizzards. These things run deep. Again, these are limited edition fall blizzards. I think up next I'm gonna go with the cherry chocolate chip. Hopefully that does not spill. I would show you guys a close up, but alright. Ooh. Wow. Big whiff of cherry. It's hard to say if I like it more than the Snickers. If you really like cherry, I'll go with this one. I do like cherry, but not as much as Snickers. Alright. That was the berry cherry chip. Now we're gonna go, I think I'm gonna save the Oreo hot cocoa for last. I just have a feeling about that one. So I would show you close up of this one. This is the Reese's Take 5. I'm really excited about this. I love Take 5. I love pretzels with chocolate. and caramel. So it tastes peanuts. I do like this one though. It's got a whiff of Reese's. Ooh, that's a cold. Lord Voldemort, the boy who lived has come to die. Get it, Slytherin hoodie? Alright, so if you guys want to see a Ben and Jerry's, I'll do it in the summer. Ben and Jerry's ice cream challenge. Post below. Ooh, it tastes of pretzels. Stay hydrated, my friends. I'm surprised the sweetness hasn't got to me. Alright, we've got one more. Take on the hood for this one. This one is the most aesthetically looking pleasing one to me. Try eating a lot of ice cream, dude. It gets you so cold. It makes sense. The Oreo. Hot cocoa. The little dog's being a menace. But Oreo hot cocoa, that just sounds so good. To be honest, this might be my favorite out of all of them. And I really like Reese's Take 5. It's so cold. I got a little bit left. I really enjoy this one though. Show her some Long Johns or something. It kind of tastes like a Frosty. Alright guys, that was the four fall edition Dairy Queen blizzards. I'm so cold I can't think. But guys, 4 fall blizzards. If you're a lactose intolerant, I definitely suggest you not to do this challenge. But yeah, that's it guys. I really enjoyed it. I'm cold. I'm definitely freezing. But Give me a minute. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I really do appreciate all your guys' support. I'm going to be dropping videos all the time. Just kidding, not all the time, but oh gosh. But no, guys, thank you for your support. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, I'm out. Peace out.